भारतीय रियासत मणिपुर जल रहा है। यहाँ पर दंगे भड़के हुए हैं और खून खराबा जारी व सारी है। कहा जा रहा है कि यहाँ पर सैकड़ों की तादाद में लोगों की नस्लकुशी हो चुकी है और ये जेनोसाइड अभी भी जारी है। इस सिलसिले में मणिपुर के हालात को लेकर आज SUCI कम्युनिस्ट की जानिब से एक बड़े पैमाने पर एहतजाज किया जा रहा है और उनके मुताबिक मुतालिबात हैं। बताइए सर, कैसे देख रहे हैं आप मणिपुर के हालात को और ये क्या प्रोटेस्ट है?
What is happening? Unfortunate development in Manipur. The Central Committee of our party SUCI has given a direction and throughout the country to organize protest on this particular issue. As a part of it, the Bangalore District Committee is organizing protest today, and we are seeing very unfortunate developments taking place. And violence is spreading like wildfire. It has been in the real sense of the term, it has been a bloodbath. It is fratricidal bloodbath. That is the terminology what we have given from this thing. And that kind of a situation we are witnessing. Who is the cause of it? And the BJP government there is blaming some militant groups. And militant groups is blaming the government there. But really, it is the government which has taken steps against the interest of the people of Manipur, against the interest of the tribal population there, Kukis. And who was responsible for court order? The Manipur High Court passed an order regarding the question of reservation, regarding the question of Maintees reservation. So the court has spoken in favor of that and given a direction to the state government, immediately, ultimately recommend to the central government to provide reservation for the Meitei community. This is a step which has angered the Kuki community. And another step has been taken by the state government. The people actually are growing poppy cultivation, and poppy, in the name of terming it as illegal act, they have been sent away. Not only the Kuki community, even the Meitei community are also cultivating poppy. So for their own livelihood they are doing it. If it is illegal, you take it as illegal. If it is illegal, you ultimately stop them from doing it. But give an alternative. Let them have an alternative source of income. Let them have an alternative livelihood. Without providing any alternative for them, you are just throwing them out. This also has angered the Kuki community. And the third point is, till today, 90% of the land of Manipur, it is hilly region. That hilly region, people are living, Kuki community is living there. Constitution had guaranteed in 1951 that nobody can come there, acquire the land. Nobody can purchase the land. Similar to Jammu and Kashmir. Similar to the article, according to the article of the Constitution, 370 article of the Constitution, nobody were permitted to purchase the land in Kashmir. That was withdrawn. In a similar manner, a provision has been made for the Kuki community that nobody else can come there and purchase the land. That's what they want to withdraw it. This way, the BJP government, step by step, is taking steps against the interest of the downtown people, Kuki community and many other communities. This has angered and led to the violence.
Sir, what do you think? What could be the possible reason for this particular agenda, like Meitei community versus Kuki community? Could there be any political conspiracy or something?
BJP has got an agenda everywhere throughout the country that rather the Hindus should be in a dominating position. So all other communities also should agree to Hindu way of life. And among the Meiteis, all the Meiteis belong to the Hindu community. And the Kuki community, majority of them, they are Christians. So it is a conflict. They want to impose their Hindutva agenda on other communities. And that is their agenda, RSS agenda, and the agenda they are pursuing this. These other communities are not ready to take it. So because of this agenda they want to impose on others, which is not acceptable. And it is not a correct thing. Rather, everybody should be taken on board. And everybody should be given employment. Everybody should be given education. Instead of that, what they are trying to do throughout the country in the name of uniform civil code, they are ultimately pushing their Hindutva agenda on other communities. In a similar manner, in Manipur also, they want to insist they want to ultimately dominate their Hindu culture on the other communities, including the cookies. So this is the agenda of the BJP government. They want to pursue this. They want to forcefully pursue this, and that is the reason for violence what is taking place now.
Sir, it's more than a month now, and we don't see any kind of development towards peace building. So if this rioting and bloodbath continues, as you said, what could be the possible solution? Because the central government and the state government both are BJP, and we don't see any solution. And the visit of the opposition leader also not being seen as any kind of positive development.
The BJP, we are demanding the BJP, let them take a policy to immediately assure the people, to assure the Kuki community, to assure the Nagas, to assure the different tribals that we are going to take measures for your development. Because what is happening, wherever Meiteis are staying, there you have schools, you have colleges, you have hospitals, you have administration, you have college, universities, all facilities are there. Wherever the other communities are there, like Kukis, there has been absolutely no development. So the government will have to come, give an unconditional acceptance that we will stand by your interest. We are not going to pursue the reservation policy, what is demanded by the Meiteis community. We are not going to pursue it, and we will take all the measures for the development of all the people of Manipur. This kind of an assurance is very much necessary. Without giving this kind of assurance from the government, one step also, nothing can be possible. And whatever is taking place, bloodbath, it is bound to continue. So the government, whether it is deliberately or whatever may be the reason, they are keeping silent, is angering more and more. Unless they come forward, to really come forward and appeal to the people, and particularly to the Kuki community, we will protect your interest. We are not harming your interest, and we will take measure for your development. They will have to come forward and take this measure. Otherwise, there is no light at the end of the tunnel. That is what we are seeing.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम बात कर रहे थे श्री राम से, जो कि SUCI कम्युनिस्ट के लीडर हैं। उनका कहना है कि मणिपुर जो चल रहा है, वहां पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपना हिंदुत्व का एजेंडा इम्पोज करने की, नाफिज करने की कोशिशों में लगी हुई है और अपनी सियासी रोटियां सेकी जा रही हैं। उनका मुतालबा है कि जो कुकी कम्युनिटी है या फिर मणिपुर के जो हालात हैं, उनको बेहतर करने के लिए जल्द से जल्द इक़दामात उठाए जाएं। रफीक जब्बार, ETV भारत बन जाएगा।